Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. Of course, the links to everything I share are always in the YouTube description box below this video. Real quickly, if you're new here, since I haven't done the spill in a while, this channel is all about searching for the best work from home jobs available, and I bring them to you on a daily basis. So if you never want to miss out on any other job lead that I share, make sure you're subscribed, have those notifications turned on. But today's job lead is from the company ExamWorks. Now, this company has been featured on this channel before. They normally have a lot of data entry positions posted. But today they are hiring a file coordinator. Now, this is remote for my United States folks only. When they do not specify if they have any state restrictions in the job posting, when you hit the apply for this job now little blue button on the right side, it takes you to a page where you can start filling out your application. And there is a little box that says, please check this box if you're a California resident. I don't know if that means they don't hire from California or if there's just different laws regarding California, but it looks like they hire throughout the United States remote. But they are looking for somebody who is detail-oriented to join their Medicare file coordinator team. Now, you don't have to have Medicare knowledge. They say Medicare knowledge or experience is a plus, but not required. The file coordinator is responsible to ensure information is entered correctly to the highest quality and integrity and full compliance with contractual agreement into the system. This is a full-time remote work from home position. They're looking for somebody to work Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., so it is a daytime position. You'll be performing quality assurance reviews of information, correspondence, and files. You'll ensure that all cases contain the correct information for the examination process. You'll audit the files to make sure the client instructions and specifications have been followed. You'll complete and ensure all examination fees are quoted daily in accordance with the company practices, and you ensure that the appropriate board specialty has received the case in compliance with client specifications. You're going to assist with the data entry of the billing information as well, and when necessary, you'll notify management of any issues that you have. So you're going to be following HIPAA compliance practices. So this is mostly a non-phone job. It does say you'll call for invoices from physicians when needed. So you may have to pick up the phone occasionally, make some outbound phone calls to some doctors to get invoices. You might also assist with mail or scanning documents. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree for this position. They're just looking for somebody who has 1 to 3 years of some kind of administrative clerical experience. Someone who has strong knowledge in software programs like Microsoft Word, Outlook, Excel, and using the internet. You have to have great communication skills, great listening skills, and be able to work independently and prioritize your work activities. Now, this job posting specifically did not list a pay. Final actual pay will have to be discussed at the time of the interview, as always, but I always try to look up on the internet and see if I can find some kind of way to estimate or gauge pay. And so Glassdoor is estimating a file coordinator at ExamWorks makes anywhere from $43,000 a year all the way up to $45,000 a year. Also, in the YouTube description box, I have their main Glassdoor page. If you want to read reviews on this company, they come in at a 3.0 out of 5-star rating. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave anything specific that you're looking for in the comments. Even if I'm not always responding, I do read those and keep that in mind. I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.